In this video, we're coming up to make a left turn at an intersection, and from back here we could see that the flashing green arrow is on, so we're getting in advance. It's gone to a solid yellow arrow that's telling you if you're in the intersection, finish off your turn. If you're not, don't start a new turn. And by the time we get there, the yellow arrow is gone as well. The green light is now on. So that means we just have to yield to the oncoming traffic and to any pedestrians using this crosswalk. And if they're not there, we can then proceed to make the turn. So as we're approaching, there's only one car that we have to wait for. And as this car is entering into the intersection, we're rolling in, coming into our waiting position. But because it's clear right after this car, there's no need to stop there. We can proceed to make the turn. And you can see the student turned a little bit sharp there and then did a bit of a corrective steering maneuver to get into this lane. Over time, that irons itself out. The more of these left turns you make, the more smoothly you can turn. But it is important not to cut that center divide line on the turn. But the part that they did do correctly, and it was nicely done, is just that they didn't hesitate to come into the intersection and realizing quickly that there's no more oncoming traffic, no pedestrians on the left, so there's no need to hesitate and wait in the waiting position. They can just go ahead and make the turn.